name's Karen Stangram and welcome to Conquer Crochet, the channel for tips, tricks and techniques for conquering your crochet. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Picot stitch, which is really useful if you're wanting to make leaves or you want to have a nice sort of spiky-ish feature to your edging of blankets. So if you're excited to get going, give me a thumbs up below and let's do this. Okay, so as you can see I've made my enormous blanket that I want to do my edging on. I've just done a little colour swatch of half trebles just to give me a basis to work on. You can do this stitch around circles, you can do the stitch around blankets, you can do it for little motifs that you might be making, if you're making leaves, if you're wanting to make crowns. So inserted my hook, I've already got a chain one, so I'm going to turn my work. I'm now going to do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. I'm now going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to insert my hook back into that first chain, yarn over, pull through, and then I'm pulling through the one on my hook as well to make a slip stitch. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So there is our first picot. To make the second one, so I've done 3 double crochets. You can do as many stitches in between as you like, it depends what the pattern calls for. It is nice to have them nicely spaced out there so you actually see the stitch. If you do them in every stitch they're going to be too close together and you probably wouldn't see the detailing. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through that chain and pull through the loop on your hook. 3 double crochets. Three double crochets. Chain 3. Insert your hook into that first chain, yarn over, pull through the one on your hook and your picot is made. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, insert your hook into that chain, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, picot is made. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through the one on your hook and then double crochet into the last stitch of the row. So there we have our row of edging picot stitches. So really simple yet nice and effective, gives a nice bit of detailing rather than just leaving your edges blank. This is a really simple one to do. If you need to look at how to do chaining, then they'll put a link up in the cards, and slip stitches, they're all in our beginners crochet guide playlist. So that's how to do the picot stitch. So that's how to make the Picot stitch, which, as I said earlier, is really useful if you're wanting to make spiky leaves or you're wanting a nice interesting decorative feature as edging for your blankets. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. It really helps us to get seen and hopefully get more subscribers, which will help us to keep this channel free and going for as long as we can. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because you don't want to miss a single stitch. On the side here are 2 more videos to help you on your crochet journey. Don't forget to hit my face and the notification bell to make sure that you are subscribed. And thank you so much for joining me today, and happy hooking!